We'll be installing this ATOTO A6 unit performance. So let's see what comes inside of the box briefly. So we got the regular harnesses for backup cameras, for amplifiers and whatnot. This one specifically is for the reverse camera. And then this one is in case you guys want to install accessories. You can do that. This is the main harness of the radio. We get some USB cables. We get a GPS antenna, a microphone, and these are connections in case you want to rewire your current speakers. You can do that with these two devices, which is nice. We get some installation brackets. We get a little trim for installation purposes, a screen protector, and then underneath all this we have the unit. So first we get some manuals, and hopefully underneath it you have the unit, and here it is, guys. It is a nice simple unit. This one here has a 7-inch display. So without further ado, let's jump into the Scion, take it apart, and hook this radio up. Awesome news, guys. This is working as intended. We have everything connected, including those two 10mm nuts and the two Phillips screws. I turned on the car just for testing purposes, and everything's working great. I have the phone plugged in, and this is the wired CarPlay, as I mentioned before, is CarPlay, guys. Again, it does work wirelessly as well, but for those who know me, I prefer the wired. It works a lot faster and more efficient as well. So if you go here into my likes, well, this is my little playlist, and let's unmute it. It works perfect. You can see how fast it works. It's almost instant. Look how fast this thing is, guys, when I skip it. So far, it's the fastest radio to respond to my skipping car device. And it says connecting. All right, pair. And we are connected. All right, it was that simple. So let's go ahead and stop here the music. You also have a TPMS and a check engine system. Now this is compatible with ATOTO's check engine little OBD reader that works with Bluetooth. You can simply plug it into your car, and then it'll connect via Bluetooth with the radio, and that's how you check all of these settings, including TPMS, which is really nice. This car comes equipped with that feature, and you can have it enabled, but you have to purchase more accessories. That's what I like about ATOTO. They have a nice ecosystem.